We are on the rear side of the unit located at 502 Fox Creek Crossing for a move-out inspection. Outside this unit, siding right here, the ground base floor looks good. Screens in place on the master bedroom. Screens in place right here. Siding in good condition. Deck looks good. Access door towards the back of the house. Good condition. Light is working. Door looks good in and out. The rear side of the house. Continue our inspection with the right hand side of the house. Siding, downspouts connected. Gutters in good condition. Siding in good condition right here. Screens in place. Everything looks good right here. Downspouts good. And at this point we consider our move-out inspection on the rear side of the unit located at 502 Fox Creek Crossing completed. Today it's September 18, 2017. My name is Sylvan Troy, Property Inspector at Excalibur Homes.